Welcome to ECCB Connects. Do you own a business? Are you thinking of starting one? Well, this program is especially for you. On this week's episode of ECCB Connects, we'll look at online banking services and some of the technology you can use to help provide a satisfying experience for your customers, improve your operations, and increase your profitability. First, we'll hear from Jaemou Weeks, Manager Electronic Banking Services at the St. Kitts-Nevis-Anguilla National Bank, and later from Tishon Thomas, IT professional and owner of SKN IT Solutions. Stay with us. We'll be right back.
We are living in a digital age where almost anything and everything is completed online. So why not take advantage of the online banking solutions most, if not all, banks and institutions offer to their business clients? I'm going to discuss what are some of the services online banking offers to business clients, how can a business client apply for online banking, the cost, and then I'm going to conclude. So what are some of the services online banking offers to business clients? Business clients can check their account balances. So no longer do you have to go to the bank, wait in a line, wait for a teller to tell you what your balance is on your account. You can just simply log on to your online banking and check your balance. Convenience in your office, at home, anywhere on the go. You could also view all of your account history for all of your accounts. So all of your deposits, all of your withdrawals, checks that are clear on your accounts. You can also transfer between accounts. Some institutions and banks allows you to transfer between currencies. So if you have a savings account and a savings EC account and a savings US account, you could actually transfer between currencies. You can also process wire transfers. You can request checkbooks. You can place a stop payment on a check. As a business person, you may have written a check to a merchant, and the merchant gave you a call and told you that they misplaced your check. You really do not have the time to go into the bank. All you need to do is just log on to your online banking account, go to the section for stop payments, and you'll be able to place a stop payment on the check without visiting the bank. Some banks and institutions also allow you to pay your bills online. So no longer do you have to go to Skelec, water services, cable, or to Flow to pay any bill. You can just log on to your online banking and pay your bill from there. You can also send a bank mail or a message using this medium as well. So you might be going through your transactions and you realize that there is a particular transaction there and you don't know what it is, but you really do not have the time as a business person to go inside the bank to ask a question. So this service allows you to just log on, type your message, and you'll get a response from the institution or bank. So you may ask, how can a business client apply for online banking? It's very simple. You need to have an account, firstly. There's an application form that you may be required to complete. Once the application form is completed, you will receive your login instructions, and you're good to go. You log into your account, you have all your account information there, your balances, your history, everything. It's a very, very simple process. And you may ask, what is the cost of this service? Well, let me tell you, most banks and institutions offer this service for free. You don't have to pay anything. Some people might say it's $3. Why not? You sign up for it, you have the access to your accounts, it's convenient and everything, so why not sign up for the service? I would like to encourage all business clients to take advantage of this free, convenient banking made easier with online banking solutions at the tip of your fingertips.
You're watching ECCB Connects. protecting our currency, developing our region. We've just heard about some of the online banking solutions that business owners can use to their advantage. Now, we'll take a look at some of the IT tools that business owners, particularly those of small businesses, can use to enhance their operations.
So there are a few things a business owner must do to ensure a smooth and functioning business. And a better management of your business would make you both more efficient and make you more profitable. And that's all small businesses want. Small businesses have the unique disadvantage that they do not have cash, they do not have startup capital, and the banks don't want to talk to you because they're not going to give you any capital. So you must take advantage of the technology. On average, small business owners said their company use 2 to 3 business functions as a service. The reason why you have to use business as a service or IT as a service is because IT infrastructure is expensive. For example, if you as a small business owner wanted to set up an email server, for your personal email, the hardware you have to buy a server for $15,000 each. You have to buy 3 computers for $5,000 each. How many small business owners have $25,000 sitting around to start before you even make any money? No. So what we need to do is recognize that there is what we call infrastructure as a service out there that costs you like $25 US per month. FreshBooks, accounting software, will help you close your books for like $10 US a month. You could take advantage of calendar technologies. For example, when you send an email from work and you go home, your schedule shows up on your phone for much, much cheaper than the hardware that you have to buy in a business. A lot of apps are there to do it. If you have a smartphone, sometimes you don't even have a computer you want to start your business. You can start it from your smartphone. There are most apps, Office 365, Dropbox, Evernote, allow you to organize your business in such a way that you could actually run your business from your phone initially. As your business starts to grow and your needs of your business grow, what you'll notice is that, for example, an app may say, okay, it is free until you have more than 25 clients. When you have more than 25 clients, then you have to pay $10 per month. That allows you to actually start your business for free, get to use the application, allow your clients to say, okay, hey, he's operating. By the time the company is ready to charge you, you've already made some money. So you could start real easily. So with Office 365, which is a cloud application of it, you pay $15 US per month. Imagine the savings and the advantage small businesses have by not having to spend $400 US and only having to spend $15 US, and you could start operating. It's basically the difference between saying, oh, I need $10,000 to start, or I need $100 to start. You can start your business right away, start generating income. And basically, it turns technology from a capital expense to an operational expense. And that is what we need to do as small businesses to take advantage of technology. There's a few apps that actually help you to do this. There's Hootsuite, which is an application that allows you to update like Facebook, Instagram, all at the same time, so that you don't have to go to one platform to send an update to your clients. There's Evernote, which allows you to write, basically, I'm presenting this now from Evernote. I basically wrote my notes at home on my computer, synced it with my phone, and now I don't have to work with my heavy computer. I have everything in my notes. And it allows you to basically do business more easily. FreshBooks is another thing I do for invoicing. One of the problems I had as a small business is when you go to the bank, they're going to ask you for 2 to 3 years of invoices or bank statements. By taking advantage of an application like FreshBooks, it allows you to record all your invoices, all your expenses on your phone. So literally, I can go to a customer in his office, do some work for him. I could fix a printer, get on my phone and send him the bill right away. He receives it by email. He could pay me either online or pay me in my hand, I record the payment, he gets his receipt, he didn't print any paper, he is happy, the transaction is over, and I have it recorded for life. I have customers, we started in 2014, and I have customers who could go back to January 2014 to see what we charge them for a service compared to what we charge them for now, because that technology exists. It allows you to keep that history, and with that history, you could deliver it to a bank, and all of a sudden, you look like you have a professional accounting department when you don't have even an accountant. So taking advantage of these apps allow you as a small business not only to function more efficiently, but to look more professionally to both your customers and other businesses.
To view any episode of ECCB Connects anytime, any place, at your convenience, check us out on YouTube or Facebook at ECCB Connects. And now for this week's financial tip.
Emergencies happen when you least expect them. Put something aside to cover the unexpected. Aim to have at least 3 months' salary set aside for emergencies.
That's it for this week's episode of ECCB Connects. Be sure to check out our Facebook page at 7 p.m. this evening for a live stream of the 23rd Sir Arthur Lewis Memorial Lecture. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next week with another program.